Morning students, today in lesson 4 formatting Microsoft Word, first we will understand about page orientation. Children, page orientation property is set when we have to print the document. It decides the printing direction of text, whether the paper will printed lengthwise, that is portrait, or paper will printed widthwise, that is landscape orientation. When we find out that we have a content that can be easily fit in a portrait orientation, we choose portrait. And when we find out that our content can be easily fit in a landscape orientation, we choose the landscape. For example, class list. Class list can be easily printed on a one paper with the help of portrait orientation, क्योंकि lengthwise printing में class list easily print हो सकती है. बट अगर हमें मार्कशीट को प्रिंट करना है तो इन दैट केस लैंडस्केप ओरिएंटेशन इज़ बेटर दैन द पोर्ट्रेट ओरिएंटेशन, क्योंकि उसमें फिर कंटेंट प्रॉपरली नहीं आएगा. तो कंटेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हम अपने पेपर के ओरिएंटेशन को सेट करते हैं. नाउ हाउ कैन वी change the paper orientation? For changing the paper orientation, we have to use page layout tab and orientation button in a page setup group. It has a two options, portrait and landscape. Now children, we will see how can we change the orientation. First we select the paragraph, and because it is in a portrait orientation, so this time we click on the landscape orientation, and we will find out that content is adjusted according to the landscape orientation. So please remember paper orientation use when we have to print our content. During printing, children, we need to understand and set the paper size. In Microsoft Word, we work with the different size of papers and like A4 and legal. So when we are printing, it is important to set the correct paper size on a computer and then we give the print command. Now, how can we set a paper size? First, we will go to the page layout tab, and in page setup group, we click on the size button. When we click on a size button, we find out the various size options are coming. We can select any paper size and this way we can adjust the paper size. चिल्ड्रन, अगर कंप्यूटर की पेपर साइज और एक्चुअली जो पेपर की साइज है वो डिफरेंट होती है तो वी फेस प्रॉब्लम ड्यूरिंग प्रिंटिंग. Why? Because on screen we are finding that our content is coming on a one paper because paper size is bigger like legal, and actually we are having the A4 size small paper. So when we go with print command, we find out that on a A4 size paper content is not coming completely or there is no space, but on screen paper is blank also. So why this is happening? Due to the difference between the paper size that is set on a computer and actual paper size. So please remember that select the correct paper size. Now children, we have to understand the tab stop keys. As you all are familiar, on keyboard we have a tab key, and tab key is used to move the cursor at specific spaces. Children, spacebar key give one character space, but when we use tab key, the cursor automatically jumps to the next tab, that is 0.5 inches by default. हम जब भी टैब की को प्रेस करते हैं तो वो एक से ज़्यादा स्पेसेस स्किप करता है क्योंकि उसकी बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट सेटिंग क्या होती है 0.5 इंचेस. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द वे टैब की वर्क्स, बट इफ़ यू वांट वी कैन चेंज द setting of the tab stop keys. See, we can also set the tab stop keys on a ruler पे सेट कर सकते हैं लेफ्ट tab stop की, center tab stop की and right tab stop की with the help of tab selector button that is on the left side. हम इसकी हेल्प से भी tab stop keys को सेट कर सकते हैं. So when we set these tab stops key, what is the meaning of it? That whenever we press tab key, first tab key will move to the left tab, then center and then right. इन सेटिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही टैब की चिल्ड्रन मूव करेगी. नाउ व्हेन वी हैव टू Insert the information in the tabular form. Tab key is appropriate in place of pressing the space bar key. Now we can also set the tab stop key with the help of paragraph option. So to set the tab stop key, first of all we will click on the dialog box launcher button in a paragraph code. You can see right side there is a button. Now in paragraph dialog box we will find out that bottom left corner there is a tab button. We will click on this button and we will set the tab stop keys, and after that we will click on a OK button. And when we after setting we will press tab key, cursor will jump to the next position where we have set the tab stop keys. Indenting text. Children, indentation is a space between the text and page margin. Already I told you that gray area is a margin area, that is the space between the paper edges and the text. In that we cannot type anything, है ना. मार्जिन और टेक्स्ट के बीच में जो स्पेस होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं, इंडेंट. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इंडेंट्स कहाँ पे सेट रहते हैं, मार्जिन्स के कॉर्नर पे. फर्स्ट लाइन इंडेंट यूज टू सेट द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ पैराग्राफ. लेफ्ट इंडेंट सेट द left side indentation of the paragraph, and right indent set the right side indentation of the paragraph. Now see in this example, as you can see first line indent is setting somewhere else and left line indent is setting somewhere else. That is the reason first line of paragraph is starting from the first line indent position, and as we have set the right side indent at that position, so every line is ending at that position. तो आप ध्यान से देखिए, इंडेंट्स और मार्जिन का स्पेस, टेक्स्ट के बीच में किसकी सेटिंग हो रही है, टेक्स्ट और मार्जिन के बीच में हमने किसको सेट कर रखा है, इंडेंट्स को. सो इंडेंट इज अ स्पेस बिटवीन द टेक्स्ट एंड द पेज मार्जिन. वी कैन चेंज द इंडेंटेशन. हम इन इंडेंट्स को चेंज कर सकते हैं बाय ड्रैगिंग ऑन द रूलर. हम इसको रूलर्स पे ड्रैग करके भी इन इंडेंटेशन को सेट कर सकते हैं. एंड इवन विद द हेल्प ऑफ option we can also set the indent. What we have to do, first we will select the paragraph that to be indenting. That we click on, there are two indent buttons in a paragraph group, left and right. So with the help of these two buttons we can set the indents for our paragraph. So our chapter is over today. Please revise the topics. Thank you.